Hello and welcome, I'm Anet A8 and in this episode we're going to be printing a self-watering planter. Okay, so I have found a self-watering planter that I would like to do a feature project with on Thingiverse. It's right here. Now, this looks really cool because they say it's self-watering. I will go to the print and we'll see what it's like after it's finished. Okay, so the print is finished and as you can see it was a success. There was a failed print as well, but I didn't show that one. Here is the success. So I have already merged these two together. They've been tested in the sink, but you can unmerge them. This has already had water inside of it, and with no damage and no leaks. So I'm super happy about that because I thought this would probably leak when I put it together, to be honest. But yeah, once you push it together, you can just pour the water down this little bit here, and then it fills up and it will water itself, I guess. I'm not really sure. There's like a little thing at the bottom, it's got holes in it, so the water can come in through the bottom, and that water can then spread around the mud, I guess. Maybe it just works in a good way to keep the plant well watered or something like that. But I had this idea that I wanted to try out, and that is an auto food harvester for home. So this is one thing that I wanted to try out with this, and it's not something that I'm going to do this episode. It's going to be a little project that I do probably in the hiatus after Vigor Quest, whilst I'm testing the game and stuff like that. But I thought it'd be cool to have a couple of these lined up, maybe 3 or 4 of these, to have some cress seeds line the top of these automatically somehow. Yeah, clearly I've thought about this a lot. Have some cress seeds, implant stuff into them automatically with a robot, and then in 7 days chop the tops off and harvest them somehow. Now there must be a way to do that. I've seen self-harvesting stuff on YouTube already, stuff with you know, big beams that moves around and harvests like a whole big garden plot. There must be a way to do it for 3 of these in a row, on a fairly tight budget as well. Now obviously if you want to help support me, I do have a Patreon. You can also subscribe or sign up to the channel. I'm not saying that anyone has to, but it would be great if people did, so that I could help fund these projects and help do other cool, crazy stuff like this. All money that I get through that will be going straight back to projects for now, because I already have an income. But anyway, enough of that. This is the planter. It did work. It worked. It printed. It looks nice. It's really cool, and I'm going to put it to use probably very soon. So I'll put another picture on this video right here, and you can see this plant pot in use as I am watching plants grow, I guess. Anyway, that will be it for this time. So if you guys have any other cool, crazy or wacky things that you can have me print, post it in the section below and I will take a look. If you want to talk to me anywhere else, I'm on Twitter, I'm on Instagram. Check out all the channels that I have. Not all the channels, but like all the different ways that you can, you know what I mean. And this is the run up to Christmas. So I need to think of some really cool projects and cool things to do over the Christmas period. If you have anything for that. comment section below, please. That'd be great. So don't forget to comment and like this video, share it with your friends if you can, and I will see you in the next video.